So here's my Britain's model searchlight from the 1960s, and I've restored and painted it and made a few changes. I've made these supports a bit better, and also made some new wheels so the modern tyres fit, and made a little hand wheel here to move the searchlight where originally it had a long arm coming out. It didn't look realistic, I didn't think, and thought it looked quite nice, so it just needed something to pull it along. So I got a Corgi Land Rover and painted that up, and that can hook on there. So you've got attachments there to put a battery on, and it just needs a 3-volt battery.